Good afternoon everyone. Update as traffic din napita guys. Robinson at bang Crown Regency Hotel. Traffic situation Abril 22, 2025 sa Odto. Thank you for watching everyone from Mexico. Thank you for watching. Indonesia, thank you for watching. Philippines, thank you for watching. And to all everyone, thank you for watching. Normal traffic situation. Init yung panahon. Duyog sa Holy Week. Ang tod karon init yapon. Kung na upcoming na itong akuan guys, LRT train. Traffic situation karong udto dinhi sa Robinson going to Colon downtown.